just a sudden visit by Mamata Banerjee in the health department, and here where the students, they are sitting in dharna, the Mamata Banerjee, Chief Minister herself, suddenly came here and she tried to give a message to the students. When she came here, all the students and the other people who are supporting the junior doctors have been shouting, they demand justice, we want justice. That was shouted, but she actually tried to pacify and convince the student. She said that she is everybody's Didi and she has also grown up through movement. She also said that she has got a lot of all the demands and she is going to look into this and she is going to investigate on this. So the Chief Minister came, the Chief Minister tried to pacify the doctors. She said she is the Didi and a lot of other things. We have with us Dr. Ria, who has been a very important part of the junior doctors, and she's a woman, she has been sitting on the road from the very first day. Ria, what did she actually pacify you all and what's your take?
I don't think that we are at a point of pacification right now. We have our 5 demands really clear in our minds, and if she is willing to sit with us, we are more than happy to sit with her. But our 5 demands remain the same. We are going to talk about it. Nothing other than that. I mean, the Rogi Kalyan Samiti, whatever she spoke about, that was not a part of our demands. We will stick to our 5 demands. We will place our points in front of her. Let's see what happens in the meeting that is happening right now.
She is saying that she will look after the demand, and the fact that she suddenly came in, do you welcome that?
I mean, she's the Chief Minister, she can come in anytime, but welcomed or not, we stick to our point. Be it Nobanno, be it here, wherever it is, it has to be 5 demands, live streaming with everybody, knowing what is happening there.
That means she has come here. It does not mean that you are going to, withdraw the movement which you are right now doing it on road.
No, absolutely not. Because if that would have been the case, when we went to Nobanno, we would have done the same. Because we are going to Nobanno, we would have met her. But we were very clear from the first day, even till today. We are very clear about our points, our demands. This is a people's movement and people have the right to know what is happening in that meeting. We are not for any closed door meetings. She's here. We really appreciate it. But then we are sticking to our demands.
So now you want a meeting with Chief Minister, and that should be live streaming where you will be discussing that 5 demands, right?
Absolutely, absolutely.
You are sticking to that.
Yes, absolutely.
But you are still having a meeting.
We have to have a meeting. If she's here, she's put a step in front of us. We are also taking a step in front of her.
So they are saying that, that the fact that she's come and everything is okay, but 5 points demand, meeting with the Chief Minister, live streaming, all these demands will be there where it was. So, students clearly sticking on to their points. That's also a very big development. See, apparently they are happy and they are okay. I'll not say they are very happy. They are okay. We just now spoke to the Junior Doctors Association, one of the leaders, Dr. Ria. She told me the fact that she has suddenly came in, that is okay. The fact that she has said that she is like the Didi, she is, they are actually doing the movement on roads and it's raining heavily. Everything is okay, said and done. But the fact is they are sticking to their 5 points, 5-point demand which they have. What they want is a meeting with the Chief Minister, which will be live streams where they will also say their problems and Chief Minister will also say what she wants to say. They have heard today, that is from the Chief Minister. Chief Minister has said that RG Kaur's Rogi Kalyan Samiti, which was headed by a MLA, Sudipta Roy, on whose house CBI has gone and was close to Shondeep Ghosh, she has dissolved it. She has said that all the Rogi Kalyan Samiti, now the principal will be the chairman. All this is okay, but they are saying that their demand was removal of the DMS, the DHs, the health secretary. Their demand was removal of the commissioner or the people who actually, the doctors feel that they have tampered the evidence or they have done some problem. Obviously, to put pressure on the CBI, that is though the CBI is not under state government, but they are saying that, put pressure on them. And the security in the hospital, CCTV everywhere, and restroom, washroom and all these things. So they want to say all these things. That should be live streamed. They are saying, Dr. Ria told me that day also they went to talk only. But the fact is live streaming was not allowed. Today she came, she spoke to us. That is okay. But right now, obviously these are the things which initially they are saying. But right now a brainstorming meeting is going on within the students. It's a general body meeting. We know 26 medical colleges are there. The representative of all those medical colleges are there. They are meeting right in the behind. And after that, we'll come to know what they decide. So clearly, we can't say that Mamata Banerjee has come and they are going to withdraw their movement. That is absolutely not happening. That's very clear. Now the second point is whether they are going to actually go forward or what they are going to do. We'll also try to. There are people who have also come. Support vector. You are. Just asking you. You're a doctor, so you were Aji Korte. So are you happy that the chief minister came?
Right now in the current scenario, no matter what happens, we can't be happy, right? After the incident that happened, we can't be happy. We are still waiting for a sit down with her, to talk with her under live streaming with the 30 representatives that we said. So our representatives, they are discussing right now. We want to talk to her as soon as possible. We are still open for discussion. That is all that we are saying to her.
And today's visit, has it changed anything?
If today's visit indicates that she also wants to talk to us, then definitely we agree to this gesture, and we are also telling her that yes, we also want to talk to her. That is exactly what we have said, and that is exactly what we are saying. So we do want to talk to her, and our demands are very specific. The agenda is very specific. We want justice, and all the demands which are there are intricately related to justice. That is why these demands have been placed.
The students are very strong in their point of saying that they are sticking to the 5 point. It's not that Mamata Banerjee has come and they are going to withdraw it. That is what we are getting directly from the doctors. But right now the meeting is going on. As soon as the meeting of the 26 medical colleges representatives, that gets over, the real thing will come on. But the mood is like that, as I was telling you. Mamata Banerjee coming, okay, fine, she's a chief minister, she can come and really talk to them, and they honor that. But the fact is that does not mean that they are going to go away from their 5-point demand, or they are going to actually go from this place. Let me show you. This is a tarpaulin. You can see last night and today and tomorrow also there is going to be huge rainfall, and that's what the observation of the weather departments are. Doctors, junior doctors, civil society, common men, they are staying here for the last 5 days. So there where they are saying that they have, the completely 34 days have completed. So they will only go from here when their demands are fulfilled. But on the Mamata Banerjee side, on the administration side, they have also tried a lot. Chief Minister herself coming in, talking to them is also something where you have to give some points definitely to the administration.